Welcome to school I have told you that this wedding we have to plan. It has to be big.
Yes, if you know I told you, I want Kenny Black to be the MC.
No, I've spoken to Kenny Black. He's going to be the MC. Yes. Even Don Jazzy is going to be chairman of the day. Tiwa Savage is going to be performing when we'll be cutting the cake. So it's going to be a very big wedding. All my friends are coming from Dubai, from China. So, no, it's no problem. So just go home. Okay. Make sure your bridal train are ready. Talk to them.
Yeah, my wedding gown is gonna arrive today.
Your wedding gown is coming today.
Yeah, it's arriving today.
That's good.
I'm gonna show you.
Okay, so greet your mom and your dad for me. Tell them as my wedding they come up. You understand? So I define. Not the Baba Timon person want to me. Go and finish.
I've been an asshole.
So what I need now? I like say I need one runs get kajad one. Better someone will be okay. You understand?
Oh my God!
So that I could just use and take round up.
See, about it. That will not be problem. It not be problem. I understand your pain. Maybe you just do last time.
That's why I trust you.
But you know what's happen now. I don't get anyone for hand now. If I call this man Oputu. Get one way, get for hand now.
You got a number?
You don't ring now. Oputu.
Hello?
Oputu. My neighbor now need. You need Pokoro. All those your girls where you they arrange for all those senators. My guy dey call.
Now your guy be this.
Now my guy be this now.
This one go finish your life. This one go kill you. This guy.
This one called Shakira Destroyer.
See, 2 of us don't test her.
Even this my girl.
Oh my God.
Everything still have.
I carry this girl go
Abuja.
And tomorrow na my work.